Tonight, we're hearing from the man behind the controversial investigation into Citizens Insurance and its finances. 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Hurst spoke to the US Senate Budget Committee chairman on the latest volley between Citizens and Capitol Hill, and to policyholders who are cynical Citizens would pay a claim in the first place.
It's logical for them to come and look to the federal government for a bailout.
Senator Sheldon Whitehouse represents Rhode Island in the U.S. Senate, but as Budget Committee chairman, he has his sights on Florida and Citizens Insurance.
Those numbers can get very, very big.
He wants to know if Florida would ask for a federal bailout if major disasters drain funds from state-run Citizens Insurance, sending letters to its CEO last year, and again after Ron DeSantis said last month Citizens is likely insolvent.
So we're looking at it not only as a Florida problem that might come home to roost in Congress with an ask for funding from Congress, but also as the leading edge of a potentially national coastal property insurance and valuation challenge.
Citizens is solvent. It is a very fiscally strong organization.
Insurance expert Mark Friedlander says Florida will never ask Congress for a bailout because of the so-called hurricane tax that Citizens could impose on all home insurance policyholders in the state, not just those insured by Citizens.
Citizens could never go insolvent like a private insurer because of the backstop program that is in place.
All of the back and forth is of little comfort to Citizens policy holders like Fred Kopech in St. Pete.
I'm furious even at the thought of thinking that I have to pay because the insurance industry in Florida has been totally mismanaged for the last 25, 30 years.
Florida Senator Rick Scott sits on the Senate Budget Committee, so we asked him about his thoughts on the investigation, a possible federal bailout, and a potential hurricane tax on all insurance policy holders. Now, his office won't answer those questions directly, but did tell us every option should be on the table until the insurance market is fixed. In the studio, Chris Hurst, 10 Tampa Bay.
The state has been pushing to shed policies from Citizens to lower the total amount of exposure. Even with hundreds of thousands of policies moved off Citizens, it still has more than 500,000 too many policies for what it can reasonably handle.